Surprising health benefits of laughing. Even if you are having a bad day, seeing someone laugh is contagious and makes you want to laugh too. Our health has suffered as a result of the hectic and routine work lives of today, and we have lost the ability to appreciate the simple things. Is the idea that laughing is therapeutic merely a myth, or is it actually backed by evidence? You'll be shocked to learn that laughter has some very surprising health benefits. 1. Reduction in stress level. The action of the facial muscles during a grin transmits messages to the brain, which then causes the production of certain neurotransmitters known as endorphins. We experience natural pain relief, happiness, and stress reduction when endorphins are produced. You feel calmer and more collected the more the brain releases its neurotransmitters. 2. Increases the ease of respiration. Laughing causes deep exhalations, which reduce blood pressure and pulse rate and help you feel more relaxed. Laughter has a purifying effect similar to deep breathing that is especially advantageous for those with emphysema and other respiratory conditions. 3. Helps to improve relationships. Conflicts among friends and family members can be exacerbated by erratic moods and anger management problems. It is common knowledge that laughing relieves stress and anger. Whom would you rather be with, a person who is stressed out and dumping their emotions on you, or someone who is pleasant, amusing, and makes you laugh? Laughter renews the relationship and injects positivity. 4. Tones the abdominal muscles and burns calories. The stomach muscles stretch and contract when you laugh really hard, exactly the same as when you work your abs. When someone laughs, they take deep breaths and their chest rises and falls, which mimics running and moves blood throughout the body. 5. Encourages restful sleep. A good laugh before bedtime lowers anxiety and promotes deep sleep, which relaxes your entire body after a hard day. 6. Reduces pain in the body. A hearty laugh causes the muscles to contract and the blood vessels to enlarge, which increases the flow of blood to the entire body. Additionally, the pace of breathing quickens, raising the blood's oxygen content. Given that it lowers the levels of the stress chemicals cortisol and adrenaline, it is regarded as the best method of relaxation. Unlike meditation, laughter enables all of our senses to come together effortlessly and spontaneously to create a feeling of joy and tranquility. 7. Prevents diabetes. The neuroendocrine system, which keeps track of the body's glucose levels, is impacted by laughter. Laughing improves the heart's total muscle performance to prevent heart disease, much like exercising. A healthy dosage of laughing helps control blood sugar because it stimulates the endocrine glands that produce glucose. 8. Boosts immunity. Laughter boosts the quantity of antibody-producing cells and improves T-cell efficiency. This lowers our risk of contracting a typical cold and cough. Allergies and diseases are warded off by a robust immune system. Laughter lessens the negative thoughts that erode the body's defenses against illness and make one more susceptible to infection. 9. Anti-aging benefits. The muscles in your face benefit greatly from laughter. Your smile is caused by the collective action of about 15 facial muscles. Your cheeks receive more circulation when you laugh, which nourishes the skin and gives your face a radiant appearance. Your face becomes toned with a more attractive appearance when you smile and laugh. 10. Lowers risk of depression. The stress of contemporary work life has led to an increase in mental illnesses including depression, anxiety, nervous breakdowns, and insomnia that can lead to suicidal thoughts. Serotonin is a natural antidepressant that increases with laughter and keeps you upbeat and in a general state of well-being. Given the wealth of benefits it brings, do your best to continue to bring laughter to all your friends and family every day. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.